Hey guys! Today I wanted to give you a little peek into our lives and share how I like to wind down after a long day. Thank you so much to Kiehl's for partnering on this video, and let's hop right in. I absolutely treasure my one-on-one time with Aria, especially now that I'm pregnant with baby 2, and one of our favorite things to do is to sit and read a book together. She's still 1, so not quite reading on her own yet, but she is a master at pretending and loves to point out interesting bits and just kind of babble to tell me what the story is about. Another one of our favorite activities is drawing. Ben and I both love art, so I was especially excited to introduce her to coloring books and the greatest invention ever, washable crayons. I'm telling you, these are a total game changer if you're worried about toddlers ruining your walls or furniture. After putting all our toys away, it's time to get ready for bed, and that begins with bath time. There's just something so joy-inducing about the warm water and the bubbles that always gets us in a good mood, and I am such a sucker for that ultra-soft baby skin. So it's time for a little Tiptoe to soap up. I know not every family does bath time every night, but we've found that sticking with the same routine every day helps so much in signaling to Aria that it's time for bed. After a little shampoo and drying off, it's time to get into some jammies. We always do our nightly popo kiss goodnight, and then it's Daddy's turn to carry her to her crib. This is always a bittersweet moment, but at the same time, it's also finally Mama's turn to relax and have a little me time. My routine, of course, starts off with removing my jewelry and makeup. Is it just me, or is it kind of the best feeling in the world to pull off false lashes at the end of the day? Since I always use waterproof eye makeup, I start off with an oil cleanser, then a liquid face wash to rinse everything away. Just like Aria, I'm also definitely a bath gal, so I've got my trusty tub tray with all of the essentials. I love queuing up a great podcast to listen to while I relax, and there's nothing better than applying a decadent mask while I soak. I'm using the Kiehl's Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask, which gives both an instant firming effect and smooths and softens skin when worn as an overnight treatment. Even better, it doesn't cause breakouts, and it's paraben-free with ingredients that I'm personally comfortable with using, even during times when I'm having extra sensitive skin. Now there's nothing more to do than chill out and get rested for a new day tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Are you going to put that on your face like this? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh,
oh okay.
Oh, thank you.